Can we do it then?
Imagine you're flying a drone. Everything is going perfectly, and suddenly, the connection is lost. So what happens next? Does the drone keep flying, or does it know how to come back? The answer lies in a feature called Return to Home, often known as RTH. Before takeoff, the drone records its starting location, commonly called the home point. This becomes the location the drone can return to if certain conditions are met. During the flight, the drone continuously tracks its position using technologies such as GPS and its onboard flight systems. If the connection is interrupted, or if the battery reaches a predefined safety level, the return to home function may be initiated, depending on the drone model and operating conditions. The drone first climbs to a safe altitude, then follows a planned route, before returning toward its recorded home point. Even with automated features, trained operators continue to monitor every mission. Before takeoff, they check GPS availability, surrounding obstacles, weather conditions, and emergency procedures. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace follow structured flight planning and operational procedures to support safe drone missions. Technology helps, but safe operations always begin with preparation, because the smartest drone still relies on smart planning.